Hello, everyone. My name is Shantae, and I'm the creator of PlanMindfully.com. And today, what I'm going to do is show you how to navigate the digital planners. These are called Mindful Moments planners, and they're available on our site. And actually, I'm going to have a special for you. So when we get to the end of the video, I'll have a special offer that you can use because I'm excited. I just launched these and I'm really excited. I've been using planners for a while, and actually more so over the past year. It just got me more into mindfulness. And I find that when I'm doing that, I get a lot more done and I'm way more focused. So I want to help others by doing that as well. This is definitely a passion project that I have. So, with that being said, let's get started. So here we have the digital planner, and this is the selfie themed digital planner, and you can get this on planmindfully.com. So if you notice on the cover of each of the planners, there's a navigation that's off on the right side. I'm going to walk through each of these tabs with you so you'll know what they are. So the first one is the calendar, and that has a 2-year calendar. It has both 2021 and 2022. I'm going to do newer versions that will have 2022 and 2023. And then we also have a week at a glance, where you can see the whole week at a glance. Then we have the meals and grocery. You know what that is. You can have your grocery shopping list in there, and then also plan your meals. Again, it's about mindfulness. The more time that you're mindful, you get a lot more time to do other things. Plus, it helps you just to feel better as well. Then we have the vision board, which of course is very important when you're talking about planning our lives and being mindful. And we have the habit tracker. Sometimes we want to get rid of habits that are not serving us, and we want to create habits that are serving us. So the habit tracker is going to be really key for that. And then we have the days of the week. So we have Sunday all the way through Saturday. And then that final page is the reflect page. So let's do a quick walkthrough. So the first one is the calendar. And like I said, you can see both 2 years, 2021 and 2022. Then you have the week at a glance, and that has the whole week. Now, again, since these are mindful moments planners, it's not just about planning your day and scheduling. It's also about taking time and focusing on things that are going to help you to be more mindful. So I have like talking points in here, I guess, but basically you could have your main focus for the week. We can write that in there. You have your inspirational quote. Of course, these are big. If you've heard my other podcasts, I do these in every podcast. And then we have the goals for the week. And of course, setting goals helps us to accomplish things, and it gives us that feeling of accomplishments because we're getting things done. And then on the next page, we tap on meals and groceries. It's all organized for you. You just fill it in, and you can also plan your meals because you can have breakfast, lunch, dinner, and you plan that out for each day of the week. And then we have the vision board. Very important. And actually, I'm going to show you how to add images to that. This is a first tutorial I'm going to do with you guys, but I'm going to do another one that actually has more details on how to add images to this. By the way, I forgot to mention, I'm using my Windows Surface tablet, and then I'm also using the Xodo app. So also the digital planners can be used on iPads, Windows devices like my Windows Surface, and also Android devices. So you'll learn more about that on my site, but you can definitely use those across any of those devices. And then we also have, let me finish with this. So within the vision board page, you have the left side that has a vision board, but then you also have where you can write your thoughts. So if you notice when you start working on things start to come to you. You want to jot those down and then come back to those later, maybe put those in your vision board, and also your to-do list. I give a lot of writing space so you can actually just take down notes. To me, that's helped me a lot with being focused over the past year. So hopefully this will help you as well. And then we have the habit tracker. This is something that I just started using, and I noticed that things actually work out better because I'm more focused on things that I want to do better for myself or that are working for me, and habits that are not so good, I'm actually able to track and see when this is happening. So these are really fun to do and just really, really helpful. And then I also have an area for you to write notes on the right side, and also things you're working on, which is what you would use to go along with the habit tracker. And I'm also going to do another tutorial on how to use this as well. And then we have our days of the week. So the days of the week, it starts at Sunday. These planners are undated. So if you notice, there's no date on that. So you can actually go in and you can write the dates in there, which makes it more personable. Also, these are reusable. So when you get it, you can reuse it over and over again, or you can come back to planmindfully.com and get another design, right? Okay. Now, within each of the days, there's no time on there as well. So you can plan your schedules as you choose. You can also track your water. That's something I've been working on, is increasing my water intake. So that's helpful. And then also meals. You may have an idea about, oh, I want to make this for dinner, as opposed to what you already planned out. Or if you want to just copy over what you wrote on that first page where you have your shopping and meals, then you can put that over here as well. Totally up to you. I have another to-do list. Any quick items you want to jot down, you can do that as well. And then also the mindfulness side. So on the right side, you write down what you're grateful for. So you can write down something that you're grateful for. I highly recommend this. And if you can do that in the morning before you start your day, and also in the evening when you're in your day, you will feel so, so good. And then we have the scratch pad where you can just, again, jot down a quick note, do a little doodle. It's totally up to you. With the tablets, and they all usually have a stylus you can get to go with them, and you can actually use a universal stylus, but you can actually draw in there, or you can add images, just maybe some things for inspiration, but I will definitely show you how to do that in another tutorial. And you have a note section. Again, I just added more areas so you can write and jot down little quick ideas that you have, and that's available on every single page as far as the days are concerned. So again, you can just tap through. Monday's the same. You can do the same thing. You have Tuesday. I have some things on there for Tuesday. And then you have Wednesday, Thursday, and then you have Friday and Saturday, of course. And when you tap on that, you see that. And then we'll go down to reflect. Now, the reflect page is where you actually go in and you write down how your week went. You can jot down ideas, especially when you're doing the habit tracker. You can really see how things turned out. Also, when you do the vision board as well, did you accomplish some of the things you want to do for this week? But you can write that down in the reflections. And if you didn't get much done, not a reason to feel bad. Just go back and make another copy and do it again. Or again, you can just go to planmindfully.com and get another design and do the same thing. But it's really about mindfulness. It's about taking time for yourself and enjoying those moments. Now, as I mentioned before, I have a special offer for you all. And again, I'm excited because I just launched these. So I would love to offer this special to you where you get 30% off with the code MINDFUL30. That's available from now until the end of October. And you can either scan the QR code to go there, or you can click on the link that I will leave in the description. So I want to thank you for tuning in and practice mindfulness, and look forward to seeing you again on planmindfully.com.